guys, it's me Jaytee and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. But before anything else, shoutout muna tayo, and ang mga maswerteng si-shoutout natin ngayon ay sina Lenny, Sheen, Tim, Lenuj Can, Rosalet Paig, Sheila May Magbanwa, Frances Gamer, Alessandria Nadcal, Zagado, Yisha Lexine Santos, Syra May Rosete, Janicel Salva, Diana Jane Gonzalez, Ces Montero, Anthony Aporillo, and lastly, shout out kay Monica Ann Colina. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. And if you want to be mentioned on my next video, so just drop your names on the comment section below. So without further much ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Hindi Na Nga by this band. So the very first thing that you should do is you have to tune your ukulele in the standard tuning, and the standard tuning for soprano and concert ukuleles is G, C, E, A. So the next thing that you should do is you have to learn the chords in order to play this song. So the first chord that you should learn is the chord of G. And so napaka-basic lang ng G, index, middle, fourth finger. And the next chord that you should learn is the chord of D sus4. So etong chord na to is medyo hindi siya common, pero yung gagawin nyo lang is you have to lift your middle finger, this one, and ayan na siya. So, ito yung G, ito yung D sus4. Index and, fourth finger. So, the next chord is the chord of D. Ayan, index, middle, and fourth finger. Napaka-basic din ng chord na to. And then, we also have E minor, ayan, index, middle, fourth finger. And then lastly, we have the chord of C add 9. Ayan. Index, middle, fourth finger. So for the intro, yung mga chords lang natin is D sus4, D, tapos E minor, and then C add 9. And ito lang mga chords natin, and then we have to repeat that chord progression twice. And then, yung first chord natin, di ba, is D sus4. Pero sa pagsastrum natin sa D sus4, eto lang yung tatlong strings lang yung isastrum natin. Hindi natin to isasali. But the rest, isasali na natin yung last string. Sa D sus4 lang sa intro yung hindi to kasali. Tapos yung strumming pattern natin is down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. And medyo common na din to sa mga tutorials ko. But if you're new to my channel, magiging ganito po yung strumming natin. Okay? So, position, first chord, D sus4. As I have said earlier, etong tatlo lang yung chords na, etong tatlong strings yung isa-strum natin for the first chord. Okay? So, ito yung kamay ko pag nagsa-strum. Tapos, para sa down strums natin, ginagamit ko lang yung kuko ng index finger. Then, for the up strums, I'm just using my thumbnail. So, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Again. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So for the first verse of the song, yung ginawa natin kanina sa intro is the same dito sa verse 1. So yung mga chord progression din natin is D sus4, D, E minor, C add 9, and then still we have to repeat that chord progression twice. Tapos yung strumming pattern natin is still the same, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So maging ganito siya. Okay? Position, D sus4, 2, 3, go. Ang lahat ay nagbabago, ganun din ang puso ko. Di alam kung paano aamin, kung dapat bang sabihin ito. Ayan. But for the last chord, we have C add 9. We just have to strum once. Dapat bang sabihin to? So, yun lang. So, for the next part of the song, which is the pre-chorus, yung gagawin natin dito is the same pa rin yung strumming pattern natin. Pero yung chord progression natin is E minor, D, C add 9, and then D. And then for the last chord, di ba, yung last chord natin is D, we just have to strum once. The same with the verse 1 na yung last chord natin is strum once lang. So, ayan. Ngunit kailangan na, tapangan na, sabihin ang nararapat na hindi na nga. So, for the chorus, yung chord progression natin is G, D sus4, E minor, C add 9, and then we have to repeat the chord progression twice, and then yung strumming pattern natin is still the same. Okay? So, mayari dito sa chorus, alam kong mali na. Ayan. Diba? Diyan sa printable sheet nyo, and then also dito sa screen, may makikita kayo na after this 4 is mute. Ibig sabihin, isang bagsak na down strum. Okay? So, ganun lang. Alam kong mali. Ay, mali. G, mali nga. Alam kong mali na, pero di ko kaya bumitaw, ika'y masasaktan. Ayan, tapos yung strumming pattern natin dyan, still the same, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? So, ayun. Alam kong mali na, pero di ko kayang bumitaw, ika'y masasaktan dahil pangako ko'y walang iwanan. Alam kong mali na, alam kong hindi na nga mahal. Ayan. So, isang mute lang yun sa first line lang. Pero yung dun sa alam kong huli na, hindi na yun, wala nang mute. So, continue ka lang sa pagsastrum mo. So, ayun. So, for the second verse of the song, the same yung gagawin natin sa ginawa natin kanina sa verse 1. Same yung chord progression and same din yung strumming pattern. So, kakantahin na lang natin yung verse 2, 2, 3, go. Oh, ilang beses di sinubukan, pinilit ang nararamdaman, pero kulang, may kulang. Ayaw mag-next. Natatakot na malaman, natatakot na yung husgan na hindi na nga, hindi na nga. Ayan. So, kung napapansin nyo sa last chord natin na hindi na nga, that is C add 9, so, maging ganito siya, puro down strums na lang siya. So, hindi na nga. Ayan. So, parang 8 down strums ata to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, sa 7, 8 is up. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapos, alam kong mali na. Ayan. So, yun lang yung sa last line ng verse 2 natin. Tapos, after the verse 2 is another chorus. And kung ano yung tinuro kanina, the same lang din yun sa gagawin natin sa chorus after the second verse of the song. Then, after the chorus is the solo instrumental. Pero yung gagawin natin dito, strum lang natin siya. Yung mga chords natin dito sa solo instrumental is G, D, E minor, C add 9, and then we have to repeat that chord progression twice with the same strumming pattern. So, 1, 2, 3, go. Down, up, 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 down, 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 down, up, down. So for the next part of the song, ito yung alam kong huli na, alam kong mali na, alam kong huli na, alam kong mali na. And then, yung chord progression natin dyan is G, D, E minor, and then C add 9. And then we have to repeat that chord progression 4 times. And ito yung parang continuation ng solo instrumental. Okay? So, mayari ito. The same pa rin yung strumming pattern natin. Alam kong huli na, alam kong mali na. Tama ba yung tono? Alam kong muli na, alam kong muli na. Tapos after that one is another chorus. So, ito yung continuation. Tapos yung chord progression natin is still the same, and then yung strumming pattern natin is still the same. Okay? Alam kong mali na, alam kong mali na, pero di ko kayang bumitaw, ika'y nasasaktan dahil pangako ko'y walang iwanan. Alam kong mali na, alam kong hindi na nga mahal. Tapos, ayun. Tapos, next part of that, last chorus is Pero ano lang siya, D sus4, E minor, and then C add 9 na. Hindi na nga mahal. Yan. Hindi na nga mahal. Tapos, outro. Ito yung last part ng song. So, mayari dito, medyo slow lang yung tempo natin. Tapos, yung chord progression natin is still the same. G, D sus4, E minor, and C add 9. So, yung strumming pattern natin is still the same. Pero yung pag-strum natin is medyo slow yung tempo. Ang lahat ay nagbabago. Ganun din ang puso ko.
Hey guys, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here. And if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.